Welcome to Challenge Accepted. I am Gabriel Sanchez.
I'm Rafael Martinez.
And this is our guest star, Jomar Acosta, or Acosta, whatever you want to say.
Whatever you want to call it.
We are going to be doing the Chicken Nugget Challenge. So,
Let's do this.
For the Chicken Nugget Challenge, we have usually on YouTube and famous YouTubers and stuff, they do 60 chicken nuggets within 20 minutes. But we are going to lessen the stakes or higher them, whatever you think. And we are going to do 40 chicken nuggets in 10 minutes, right?
I'll throw up.
Yeah, so we're going to try not to throw up. And yeah, that's it. We're not going to start yet, so calm down. I think I have some more explaining to do. So, we each have our own sauces. He has all this sweet and sour crap.
This is like 15.
Yeah, he has 15 sauces. And we have ranch in little bowls. And we got our special juice of the day. We recommend Snapple. We're not advertising that, I promise. Anyway, so, yeah, whoever loses will have to take a consequence, and that consequence will be undecided for now. Okay, so whoever, and we to determine the loser by not eating, by who does
Finish last.
Who finishes the chicken
last. Whoever does it.
Yeah. So we're gonna have a timer for 10 minutes, and once we put that on, we'll start, and then you guys can see me win.
Why does it taste nasty?
I'm nervous.
Okay.
If I throw up on camera, I'm so sorry. Ready?
Go.
We're starting? Oh my
Yeah.
god. Okay, so. I'm already full. These are really good. I did not eat the whole day for this.
Same. Yeah, me neither. Well, you ate breakfast.
This guy ate like a big thing of Cheetos.
There's Pringles in it. It's
Oh.
just now,
Why
because I
is there
didn't eat
Cheetos?
breakfast. I'm really nervous.
I can't swallow, that's how nervous I am. Oh my god. So I do not recommend this for other people because you can die. Really? That's gross. You make me throw up.
It's a good thing. Do you really get to dip your chicken nuggets that much?
So I can like go down easy.
Even swallow.
I really have a hard time swallowing sometimes. People get mad at me for that.
Problem. He needs to fix it.
Dang, no more. Dang! I didn't hear it go.
Cheese sour doesn't taste that bad with chicken nuggets.
I'm trying.
It's not right.
That was nasty.
We have 7 minutes.
Oh my god. I didn't even finish the
I'm full. I'm already full. Sound like you're hyperventilating.
I am. I'm so nervous.
Oh my god, I'm getting really full.
Don't make me laugh. I'm getting really hot. Like the temperature feels really hot.
Yeah.
Really hot. This is not good.
We're getting fat. Oh my god.
The blood pressure is rising.
I'm still hungry.
I'm scared. Don't get on camera.
Don't feel. I'm not gonna puke. You can eat more while standing up. Yeah, we're at half minute and Joe's not even done with his first ball. Done. Wait, no, second?
Just to make it dramatic.
We're tired.
We have 4 minutes and 30 seconds left.
I can't do it.
Oh my god. My stomach is like.
That was gonna be a lot easier.
Oh my god, I can't stop moving my feet. I can't stop moving my legs.
I need someone's drink, and that's what
Yeah, fake yours, not one for me. I can start drinking mine, yeah.
I think I'm gonna stop for now. I can't do it.
Then I gotta take it slow because it's.
I'm gonna go drink water.
Yeah, but now that's too. And I'm not going the consequence. Two minutes and 40 seconds.
What? I can't do this.
I'm not losing. I'm not losing.
I'm sweating.
Oh no.
I'm not.
It's not good.
I had chicken nuggets.
Oh my god. Get out of here! Get out of here! Please! Oh my god, don't throw up on me.
I don't feel like it just hits that random spot.
Yeah, it hits you like we did. Ooh.
Like I might be mid chicken nugget, feel nothing, and then it happens. I'm giving birth.
I can't throw.
Try burping it out.
I can't burp. If I burp, I'll throw up. If I try burping, I'll throw up.
I'm just looking at it, it's so gross.
I'm not even using my ranch. Because I'm so tired of it. I did 2 full.
In a second, you came back up.
Oh my god! Don't throw up on me.
This is what I feel like to be high.
No. No, it doesn't. What did this do? Where'd you get that bottle from?
You just found it.
Oh my god.
It's like 40 seconds.
Like, yeah!
I got my phone.
It's like giving me like a sugar salt rush. I don't know.
Depending the third U.S. coin to feature the
I can do the
likeness
last one. I can do it
of
anymore.
an actual person. The third Alabama was fired the construction of a bridge that holds a rooster auction.
What? Time is up. That was the worst challenge I've done ever.
I'm sweating. I need a breather.
My head is so weak.
Stop is heavy. Oh my god, this is bad.
We find out how many do you have left.
Counting the one that you just bit. You count for me. I don't have
I
that.
got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 left, guys.
3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 9! I win!
You don't have 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
How did you win?
I win!
How did you win? Oh my god! That is the fakest thing.
Oh my god, I'm sweating.
That is the fakest thing. Well, I didn't lose, so.
I'll be like eating the
This kid is gonna be doing something very good for y'all later. So we'll figure out in a few minutes what his consequence will be, and we'll post that along with this video. Okay? It'll be at the end of the video.
My crusty fingers.
Mine are smooth and greasy. Greasy. Just how everyone likes it.
I have both of those completely all over my body. I'm smooth and greasy. Dude, right there. My hair. Oh my god.
This Snapple will really help though. I
Here we go.
recommend if you guys do the chicken nugget challenge to get Snapple, cause like the vitamins in it dissolve the chicken is really fast. So
You know what we're talking about.
I don't know. I can't even open it. Oh my god. So that was our chicken nugget challenge. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you want to try it at home. Don't puke. Yeah, we didn't puke. It wasn't that bad. But you're supposed to do
It's
6.
pretty bad. It's more awkward ordering though.
I'm just surprised. True. I'm just surprised you won. But anyway, make sure you like and subscribe. Leave a comment. We need challenge. Oh god, I'm drunk. We need challenge suggestions, so make sure you comment. And that's it. We'll see you guys next week.
Say something if you want me back.
Change. No one.
No one wants me back.
But we'll see you back in a few minutes. Okay. Okay. So see ya and bye. It's recording. So this is challenge accepted. As the result of the loser, who was Jomar Acosta, he is going to do the ice bucket challenge. So it's 2 challenges in 1. So Jomar, are you ready for this ice bucket challenge? Well, too bad. Rafa, do it now.
I got mine again.
How did that feel? Took it like a man, did ya? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well, that was challenge accepted. Thank you, guys.